Yo, what's happening, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to Build Ride Repeat. I'm at the Montgomery County Swapmeet, and it's raining like crazy. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? $10. All right, here we go. Somewhere. I had a $10 bill. Oh. Yeah.
Okay, tickets.
All right.
One is for the People's Choice Bike Show at the end of the building.
Okay.
The other one is for door prize later on.
Copy. Thank you. Okay. Let's see. All right. There's so much stuff here. I don't know what to do right now.
There's a shitload of cylinders in it. Heads.
Hey, cylinders? Oh, man.
There's a shitload of these. I mean, not per se this kind.
Yeah.
It's cylinders.
Okay. Whoa, this is a lot of stuff. Hey, would you, how much you ask for?
25 bucks.
Would you do 20?
Yeah, I'll do 20.
All right, sorry about that. All right, no problem.
Thank you.
Looks like I just scored a Headwinds Road King nacelle bezel for $20. Hell yeah. Definitely check out my YouTube channel. Build Ride Repeat on YouTube.
Build Ride Repeat.
Yeah.
How much you got hiding under that hat, man?
Man, not enough.
Not enough?
I wish. How's everything? How's everything?
How's it going?
Man, I can't complain, man.
Beautiful day out there. It's liquid sunshine.
Oh man, it's the best.
Liquid sunshine. I just keep telling myself that.
Yo, it's like, and not only that,
Are you building a 45?
all the construction. So now, like, all the parking spaces are going. So you have to park like way the hell down there.
We got here early. I was like, no, keep going down there. And I was like, wait a minute, we're just as far as we parked up there.
Right.
Yeah, it's parking over there.
Yeah, so I went down a little side right here and found a little spot on the side. So it's not as much liquid sunshine on the way back though, but you know, I can't complain.
Building it for drop?
So I have to find a real fascia for the 06 Street Glide. That may be a rear fender and quick detach stuff for saddlebags. So hopefully I can find a little something. We shall see.
Carried away right now.
Done.
Look at that. Oh, fuck.
What are you asking?
10 bucks.
10? If I have 10. Hey, what's happening, man? You doing all right? Oh, man.
How you doing?
Man, I can't complain, man. Shit. My wife just had our first baby, like, freaking 6 weeks ago. So I'm, like, blessed and grateful, dude.
When's the last time I saw you?
Shit, probably here.
Okay, so...
Yeah.
So I got cancer and I got surgery on my face. It's been a fucked up year.
Okay.
But I'm back.
No doubt.
I'm not perfect, but
Yeah.
I'm back.
Hell yeah. I mean, shit, man. I'm happy. Hey, man. You know, goddamn, give me a hug, man. I'm glad you're still here and shit. Man, I'm so everything good? Remission, all that stuff?
So, yeah.
Fuck yeah, man.
Looks like
Goddamn, man. I'm gonna give you another damn hug. Man,
like
good shit, man.
No, it looks like I'm gonna live.
Fuck yeah,
They're
man.
gonna let me live.
Hell yeah. Man,
So-
congratulations, man.
See, I have so much shit I rebuild these things.
Yeah.
But I got a loan from her. See this?
Oh, yeah,
It's
yeah.
at the legs you're looking for.
Yeah, it's the, I think that's salt tail because it doesn't have the other brake. The brake.
Yeah, it's single disc.
Yeah.
And it's soft tail. Don't have for the tinge.
Yeah.
Right. Because I was looking into getting that kit for my bike.
Right.
And I kept seeing your video pop up on YouTube.
Oh man, it's badass, man. Yo, it's like 120 square.
What? Is it as badass as they say it is?
Yeah.
No, right.
Yeah, cause if you think about it, like 120 square, like that's a muscle 107, 20 muscle 107. That's more horsepower and torque than the new Milwaukee 8, like
Yeah, that's
CDO 117.
Yeah.
So you can get, like, are you 96 or 88?
What do you mean?
Your motor now.
The 103.
It's 103? Oh yeah, so basically you're not far off from it. All you have to do is put new cylinders, new pistons, you're good.
Well, I already got like a cam and little shit. So I literally stayed with my one friend that has a 107. I stayed right next to it.
Yeah.
I was gonna get that just to get that extra.
Yeah. They're not like most of the other manufacturers, most of the other shops who like sell you like, okay, you have to buy this kit.
Yeah.
You can walk in there. Like that's a good thing. You can walk in there.
Yeah, I was going up there and they told me like, oh yeah, if you don't need the whole kit, we can sell you this, and this.
Yeah, and like, oh fuck, and that makes it even cheaper.
Not even half the fucking price of the whole kit.
Yeah.
The shop say, oh well, you need our kit.
Yeah.
Our shit only works with our stuff.
Yeah, and they'll like tailor it to where you want to do it, man. However much you want to spend, man. And man, I was just grateful for that. Like, and I didn't know, like, and I'm not from Maryland, so I didn't know like their history.
Oh yeah, everybody around here knows.
Yeah, like, oh shit, you got a zipper? Oh shit.
Yeah.
And I'm like,
if you want to go fast, go to Zippers.
Go to Zippers, yeah. All right. Good meeting you, Dan. All right. My battery died. Thanks for tuning to this episode of Bill Ride Repeat. I had an awesome time at the Howard County Swapmeet. I caught some awesome deals, met up with some cool folks, made some cool connections. It was all around good time despite the weather. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And you'll see me and I'll see you on the next one.